Matesa ura Lumba Yamiaton Safreno, Senate, you were German. On an hour bear, Niles and will free Jama, Hobagana, Abafak, it is yet.
I was staying with a young lady.
On now wins here. Obana non any Jama. Every Jama about Ghana, about Transino, about the Winsiano. Wabasa. Or any Queen Yawa or more and Krata with Jama. Lumba Bush and for
the family are also saying otherwise.
But when
husband divorced,
I
was with him for 16 years. He has lived with another woman. If
I was able to crack out the warrior, and young lawyer need there. I'm so cheap. You know what's up? So far, my chair. I may have penny now, many. Maybe some are work with you, sir. I want you to do Sia, be man flip with you by. Yeah, about for
he married a lady and has given birth to 6 children.
I have a class of Febe doing Sia. Lumba. Me yidden one magana. I'm a trainer, what your home answer. But now, my baby, who answer.
Staying for
I said, the cano, I had to me.
So.
Abusua da de Lumba ane ne weremo ensensem ya ekoso ena sofani Bishop JY Edu edina no ato ensem ni bi e wo na asori dem na wo kire se maame akosua se wa court na wo de asem ne kono aye too late na be ye kwa na nka wo so de asem no ekoda court na wo no ena jeja no ho ama enne asem afa na asem mo akwa ba e de abatu maji etu ma so first time me abemi subscriber to so de achemi e ya kai se wo de be on be ka ho sa no upload ni to the first person ya wonsa ebidika kabusua se yebode ra ensem ma enne na court ekọ asetena e wo ye maame akosua se wa ne nsem no eso na Bishop JY Edu eyosofani ba ko Ghana ha ne papai woni de hu ye pa na abrada de Lumba kwa eyare ye no ba bonti be kire ekwan ada de Lumba fa so frɛ no enne ne yare no se ne okọ ya okọbo ada de Lumba ema otimi so original na so se me no e ka se ensem ya etwagu e wo media ne so e de fa de Lumba enne ne yare akosua se wa aware no ho a akosua se wa e twɛ se de Lumba ne no enja aware ansa ena wo wunti wo no ena legally no wo ye yere wo se odi kuna no eno ena Bishop JY Edu e twɛ se maami akosua se wa court na wode ensem no ekono ebe ya nka mo ha ne ho na aye too late watenatena ho a efri metenten ya de Lumba bepie mu e wo man Ghana mu saa bre na maame no wo ye den abra na de Lumba tiase na nka wo se wo ko saa kon no wa ma botin ameko saa kon no ama Ghana fo anti wo no so ne site saa bre papa ye wi efu so nya de edifo enu ti ehin wo ko kana asem amaji na de nipa wo ne be kan asem amaji na de nipa no ena eni wonzika be ya ka asem ne kura nka wontwam efra free court na cross maka na so menwe ye sei ena wo kire nsem no mu esify.
You have to be careful with our stepchildren in our marital homes. There is a need for us to put things in place in order to keep our marriages, in order for us to stay in our marriages for long. It's not about the ordinance or whatever. If it's the end of the marriage, that is it. Nothing can bring it back to life. I've heard that Lumba, who has been called to glory, the first wife, he's having kids about 3 or 4 or 5. And when he came to Ghana, he was staying with a young lady and was also giving birth. After the death, the first wife has come from Germany. She has come that they were still. They had the ordinance marriage in Germany, and so they are still husband and wife. The family are also saying otherwise. Husband divorced. I was with him with my last born, even when she was young. For 16 years. He has lived with another woman in Ghana for 16 years, and you are still living in Germany. There is court injunction on the marriage. And who has the right to perform the rites? And the young lady should be chased away. Some also complain that she has married a young lady. The supporters of the first wife are also against us. And they also want to know the venue in which that marriage took place. It has become an issue. Everyone is saying his own version of it. And there's an injunction on the funeral as for not being able to have the funeral rites. If she's not been allowed to take part as a widow, then the funeral will not come on. What do you think of it? There is no separation being done at the Germany where she had their marriage. I'm not a lawyer, though. But listen, I stand before you as a man of God, an elderly man, and with wisdom. I will ask the first wife. For 16 years that your husband came to Ghana, that he married a lady and has given birth to 6 children. Did she hear of it or not? When the man was alive, we never heard of anything about this.
Ordinance. Yeah, of course. Lumba
the first wife should have taken an initiative even before the husband died. This is the ordinance in the European country. The man has also come to settle in Ghana for 16 years. So I inquired whether the laws that the first wife is bringing works in Ghana. I don't think it works here. It all depends on the leaders of the family. I thought the woman will come and apologize that the marriage has never been separated. Although we were separated for a while, I couldn't come and he couldn't also visit me. But there hasn't been divorce. But if he is dead, because I'm not still married, and I've not stayed with any man, allow me to have the widowhood rights. If the leaders of the family agree, if they've not heard anything from the man, they will allow the woman. Maybe Lumba has said something to the family members about the character of the woman. And so for that matter, she's no more my wife. The youngest wife has been introduced to the family as the wife. What I'm worried about is
Lumba,
for 16 years that he has lived in Ghana, and he never said anything about the marriage. Staying for all these 16 years and for the man to pass on. So it's something else. This is a lesson that all of us should learn from it. The laws of the marriages that we have and the laws of it. When you are married to a man, know the family members and the parents. Respect the family members. If not, if the man dies, the family members will treat you. They will even not allow you to step foot to the funeral grounds. If we get married, let's marry the family of our husbands too. If you see the family members, you frown your face. They will never love you and accept you. Let's take care of it.
I was saying, so penny Bishop Jewel to name some near Quaputi now, so would say, and a treble or media, no sooner Ghana for air car. A camia said, Mammy, Akusia, in a way, no, a son said, a warrior end to me and chat a court, no, and no buono, and mano, a work case, a cacra, a one asim. A bisu cry air tresser, a Germany, na mammy tresser or warrior. Na a bagana ha, Sana and Lano so air car, a wagana ha. Ebi say asam no kra enya ware na asam no de kokot ne wo maye no hototo yasam se woni obema wo keke no eno qualify wo ema wo yeyere ana se de ni nyina no court na ebetre ma me akosi ase walo ya HSS wo ya side checker wontimi enye kuna ema ne nyi aso wodobroni court ne behu ne se oye side check ana court no ebehu ne se oye yere ada de Lumba eye ne ho ade ansa na wodane ede ato ne nyina no odofo wenum ya manfo adwenche mese se wo so obeja wo de e wo comment section ho ede amame eye too much GH all the social media platforms so kwa eye too much GH o subscribe like no wa share na afoforo so enye bia hwemedin ede dark gold ye be senhye